For cozy, smart, and modern living near campus, Uncommon Dinkytown, Minneapolis is the perfect destination and ideal student home. These handsome studios and charming 1 to 4 bedroom apartments feature a comfy bed, the ideal study corner, dishwasher, plus a washer and dryer. From water to reliable internet, your rent covers every essential. Fuel up at the breakfast bar, or grab a snack from the vending machine, then hit the fitness center or avail the yoga room to recharge. Get productive in community workspaces or the computer lab with IMAX, then unwind with a cup from the coffee bar, dip in the hot tub, movie on the TV, sunset in the courtyard, or stars in the Sky Lounge. With a Mail Plus package room and indoor parking space, convenience is at your fingertips. Your new home is located a quick drive away from the University of Minnesota and Augsburg University, so getting to class is a breeze. With nearby buses from University Avenue Southeast, plus the East Bank Light Rail Station, your travels are smooth and speedy. Get your home at Uncommon Dinkytown, Minneapolis via amberstudent.com.